welcome back to my YouTube channel, and for those who are new, you're welcome. And I'm Miss Pascos, your teacher in dressmaking and tailoring here on YouTube. Please accept my apology for not uploading any video for this past few weeks because I've been busy in preparing or in helping one of my learners here in Dubai for the preparation of her fashion show, the International Fashion Show at Expo 2020. And today, March 17, is the fashion show. So we were busy doing those collections. She's enrolled in fashion designing, and it's good that yesterday was my last day in my part-time, so I consider that as my part-time already. And I was so busy after my regular hour or regular work. Then I'm proceeding to her place, and then midnight she is dropping me to my home. I'm doing many things also, including my small business, which is the hair accessories. So I'm the one doing all of those things this time, but hoping that I can get my team in preparing all of those items. Okay, now for today's lesson, I'll be showing you on how to make on how to cut the pattern of the blazer, which we adjusted from the basic pattern before. Here are the patterns. This is for the front and this is for the back. We have here the material. This is just a low quality of material. For the sake of the demonstration, that's why I'll be using this one. So I need to turn it and get the wrong side of the fabric. Now you have to lay your front here on this area this way. Okay, you have to maximize on this area here like this. Okay, like that. Then just pin it. Trace outside the pattern here and here. Then I'm gonna mark it here. This is the part where you are going to attach the collar, and take this line here. Okay, it will be like this. You're going to follow this one. You have to cut this mark for this portion, and if you are going to get this part, you're going to follow this to this line to eliminate this dot. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is to get the whole part of this one. I'm not going to cut it anymore here. Okay, I have to complete this dart. Okay, it's up to you if you want to cut this. You can cut it separately from here, and you cannot also. Okay, this is what I'm going to do here and there, and trace it here this way. See these several techniques I'm showing you when you don't have the pattern paper and tracing wheel at home, or this. Okay, just take that one there, here. Then I'm going to trace this one with the use of the French curve, like this. Just connect this mark to here. Okay, that's it. If you want to make it more curved, then you have to adjust your French curve like this. Okay, it's more curved now. Okay, then in cutting it, you're going to leave 3/8 allowance here. And then follow this round area. Just go on with the 3/8 allowance. Cut it here, going down there, then leave at least 1/2 inch or 3/8 allowance here on the lower part. This will serve as your allowance for the fabric, okay? And here, leave an allowance of 3/8 also. And on the shoulder, leave an allowance of 1 inch. And armhole is 3/8. Okay, and here on the side, this is the seam allowance. Leave 1 inch. This is now our front. Okay, so we are going to transfer the marks. See, just do it this way. Now let's proceed with the sleeves. Since this one is quite narrow, then I'm going to cut the sleeves 2 pieces at a time. This one is already folded, then fold it again. And put your pattern on top of it. there. Okay. Yes. See? I haven't shown you on how to adjust the pattern for the sleeves. Okay. But I'll be showing you later. There. You can see here, I have green mark here, but the edge of this, there is the white edge here. That is the mark for the back, or this one. But this green is for the front. Okay, I'll cut it here. Trace it here. Actually, what I'm doing is only to get this outer mark, means for the back. I didn't mark for the front, okay? Yes, and cut. Leave 3/8 here. Inch here. Then here at the bottom, this 3/8 or 1/2. It's okay. And then put a notch here and open it. Open it. Just like 1, 2. Okay, open it and cut this part from there to here, going down to there. So this will serve as your front now. To cutting it. Okay, this will serve as your front. Put a notch, means this is your front. Okay. See the difference? Okay. Just trim it a little bit. And then you have to transfer the mark for the side seam. Now let's proceed with the cutting of the facing. Take the front cut it. And getting the measurement for the collar, you're going to measure from here because this is where the starting part of the collar. Then you have to measure it from here to this mark. Okay, that is 5 1/4 and times 2 because it will be on the other side. It will have on the other side also. Then get the back. That is 5 1/4 times 2, and that is 10 1/2. And take this one, okay, it will be 17 1/2. So that is the size of our collar. Okay, so get a perfect bias. – 17 1/2. It's enough. Okay. Inches. I double fold it. Okay, so that is 17 and a half. Like this. That is 17 and a half. So I need to mark 8 and 3/4 here. There. Okay. And then from here, you are going to measure 3 inches. Okay. Then with the use of your hip curve, do it this way. Just leave an allowance here, at least 2 inches from there to 2 inches there. Okay, this is your color. You have just seen on how to cut the blazer, and for those who haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so that you'll get notified when I upload my next video. Thank you for watching and keep learning.